Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer. In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and value for money, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your videography needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229, making it a premium option for serious videographers. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer is much more affordable at just $64, appealing to budget-conscious users. This significant price difference reflects the advanced features of the Hohem, but the AOCHUAN offers great value for those who need basic stabilization. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts advanced AI tracking capabilities, allowing for seamless face and body tracking without the need for an app. This feature is particularly beneficial for dynamic shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN gimbal offers basic face tracking through its app, which may not be as reliable or user-friendly as the Hohem's built-in functionality. This distinction can greatly impact your filming experience. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The Hohem iSteady M6 offers an impressive 18 hours of battery life, ensuring you can shoot for extended periods without interruption. In contrast, the AOCHUAN gimbal provides up to 10 hours of battery life, which is decent but may require more frequent recharging during long shoots. This difference in battery performance can influence your choice based on your filming needs. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer have their unique strengths. The Hohem is ideal for professional videographers looking for advanced features and superior performance, while the AOCHUAN is a great choice for casual users seeking affordability and portability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.